What is the future of blockchain? My name is Rameshwar Amancha, founder of Blockchain Experts Club and also certified blockchain solution architect. In this video, we'll talk about what is the future of blockchain. Well, this is my opinion and I call it as excitements. So let's look at the top 6 excitements of the blockchain. The first one is the current applications. Well, it's going to add a layer of blockchain to the existing applications. I don't think so the entire application in financial sector will be replaced with blockchain, but instead blockchain will be adding a layer on top of the existing solution. And also we will be seeing migration to blockchain technology from the current traditional databases, which doesn't solve the problems of anonymity and distributed ledgers. The second excitement for me is on the IoT devices. The future is all about smart devices. Let's say I have a fridge and I'm running short of dairy or eggs. The smart device could send alert to the supermarket nearby, generating order, and the supermarket deliver the goods to me. And what blockchain could do here is keeping my data secure using the hash, so there's no privacy issues. And the second thing on the IoT device is that it could be a fully autonomous use cases for the industries. Let's call it an example. We're going to have driverless cars. Now we already have prototypes like that. So let's say I have a BMW, a fully autonomous BMW, and it needs a service. So the car itself knows when to go to service station, and it drives down to the service station, get the service done, come back home. There's no human intervention needed when to take the car for servicing. Excited, isn't it? Now let's talk about the third. Personal control. I wanted to control my data. I don't want Facebook or Google or Microsoft to control my data. That is possible with blockchain. The entire social media might go through an evolution of keeping the data decentralized, or maybe keeping the data on the user control rather than controlling by a single authority. And also the banks and financial institutions, they will be passing on the responsibility more towards a decentralized ledger than owning the records themselves. That's also exciting, isn't it? And the next thing is the educational institutes providing certificates on the blockchain. Verification is one of the pain points for the employment, especially from the education. So if you wanted to verify a certificate, you have to go to college and verify that record. But with the blockchain, with a single click of a button, you can verify a certificate. And also it will give you the skill validation. Let's say I'm looking for a Node.js developer. If an institute trained a particular resource on Node.js, I can verify that particular resource, what are the skills he or she learned, so that I can hire better. The next excitement is transparent governments. This is really exciting, but I'm not sure when this is going to happen. I wish most of the countries adopt this. If you can have the entire voting system on a blockchain, you won't be seeing any tampering in votes. You don't have to run behind the courts to reevaluate the votes. All those will go away. And when you're keeping the transactions on blockchain, corruption will be gone. We want the entire world a corruption-free world, and blockchain has the potential to eradicate corruption. I know we might have a lot of resistance from the politicians and parties, but future, I'm talking about future, not now. I hope the future is better. And the next thing is multiple assets. This is very exciting for me as well, because I might be owning multiple assets across the world. Right now, I cannot buy a piece of land in other countries. You need to have a lot of regulations and things like that. Let's say, Uber, for example. I want to run a Uber in New York City when the demand is high, or maybe in London or Delhi. I can't own a cent there, but with the blockchain, with the option to have multiple owners for a single asset, it's going to be a future where you won't be earning passive income for the rest of the life. So there could be more passive income options. Now you might be setting up a node if you have a good internet with you and a good powerful laptop or a desktop or maybe a server. You might be earning some passive income. So those are some quick excitements for the future, and this is what blockchain could do in the future. If you wanted to know more about blockchain, do subscribe to my channel and also visit my website rameshwaramancha.com and enroll to my newsletter so that you will get the most updates from me directly. Thank you so much, and hope the blockchain brings a better world to all of us. Have a great day. Bye.